Transtar, Eyenstein software and color tools. In this video, we will walk you through the steps of using the No Mix Eyenstein software and color tools to perform an invisible repair. We'll start by getting the paint code for the vehicle. In the Eyenstein software, enter the paint code and the vehicle make and click Search. Our search results in this example have yielded a standard formula and 3 variants, along with their chromatic chip locations. Locate the decks that have been identified in the search. The chromatic sort applies here for chips and formulas. Before comparing the chips to the vehicle, clean the surface using 9793 Prep and Clean. Then, hand polish with 5374 Ultimate Finish System machine polish using a clean microfiber cloth. Next, compare the chips in natural sunlight or using a quality color match light. Once you've selected a chip, compare it on its own to make your final decision.